The high-tech lab buzzes with excitement as Cash, the genius Australian pit bull, adjusts his red glasses and glides a shiny bar magnet across a table covered in iron filings. Suddenly, the filings jump and form mysterious curves. "Whoa, that's magnetic energy in action," Cash says. Magnets create invisible magnetic fields, like force fields that can push or pull certain metals, like iron. Holographic displays bloom around him, showing loops of energy from one end of the magnet to the other. He floats a paperclip in midair, using a hidden magnet beneath the table. That's magnetic force. It's how maglev trains float, how compasses point north, and how your headphones work. Cash places two magnets together. One end snaps together, the other pushes away. Opposites attract, likes repel. That's magnet magic. Next, he wraps a wire around a nail and connects it to a battery. Instantly, the nail lifts paperclips. Electricity can create magnets too. This is called an electromagnet, the same kind found in motors and doorbells. The lab lights up with glowing trails of invisible force. Magnets may be unseen, but their power is everywhere. Hey energy explorers, it's challenge time. What's the difference between a magnet and an electromagnet? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more science mysteries with Cash the Genius Dog.